Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you how to create a timesheet monitoring app using Google Sheets. First, you need to access Google Sheets using your Gmail account. Okay, go to Google Sheets, create a blank document here, and we are going to label this employee QR code. So put here name and department. So let's use my name as an example. Consulting team. Okay, and then let's add another one. Okay, so I have here three employees from three different departments. Okay, next is I'm going to highlight this one. Go to add-ons and choose bulk QR code barcode generator. So if you don't have this one yet in your Google Sheets, you can easily go to get add-ons and then search for bulk QR code barcode generator, and then you can easily install it in your Google Sheets. Okay, so let's use that one, bulk code QR generator. Okay, so I have here my QR code contents. So I need to select my columns here. So this is to use for the QR code generation. So click preview there. So from here, I already have the unique QR codes for these three different employees. So next is you can send this QR code to these employees and they can capture it for their own use. Alright, so you can save that to PDF or save directly to Google Sheets. So after we have created the unique QR code for each of our employees, our next step is to create an app, a mobile app. So we will go to AppSheet. So you can create your own account in AppSheet. So AppSheet is already part of Google Cloud. So click New App for the development of the timesheet app. But for now, we will be using our timesheet app that I have already created here. Okay, so just a brief background about AppSheet. So AppSheet was acquired by Google last January 2020, and it is basically a platform wherein non-technical users like me can easily create mobile apps, either for my personal use or for business use. So we have here some of the sample apps and what we can do using AppSheet. So you can basically create mobile apps to track your clients and expenses, monthly equipment inspections for services. You can create inventory management app, activity schedule app, stock management app, attendance app, and many more. So you can try one by starting to visiting AppSheet and create your free account. Okay, so going back to my AppSheet account, and we're going to open the timesheet app that I have created for a brief walkthrough and how created this mobile application. Okay, so I am here at the development window. So I have here a couple of information on my left side on the tables where I created these rows and columns here. So I have here my timing, my timeout, and my time in entries. So we're going to check my data source for these time in entries. So this is basically connected to Google Sheets. So we're just waiting for the data to load. So as you can see here, I have here my employee, the date, and of course the time. So basically this is how it looks in your mobile phone timesheet app. And I have created two functions here, the time in and timeout for monitoring of the employee time in and timeout. So once I click this add button here, so there is a scanner here where I can easily click and focus it to the QR code. So we will do that for a demo using the downloaded version in my mobile phone. Okay.
Okay, let's try and test our app. So as you can see here, so basically this is already the timesheet monitoring app that we have created here. And here is the time in monitoring sheet that we have created in Google Sheets. And here is our QR code created for Edward Andres, Sun employee. So what we're going to do is open this mobile app here that I have created using AppSheet. So I'm going to click it. Okay, so as you can see, there is a time in, and time out functions here, and there's an add button here. So I'm going to click this add button whenever I want to input my entries, whether it's time in or time out. Okay, so let's try for the time in. So I'm going to click this button here. Okay, so there is a scanner here where I can click. So it will bring me to the scanner. So what I'm going to do next is scan the QR code there. So as you can see, I was able to capture the QR code already. So it's real time. So once I click save here, so my Google Sheets time in monitoring here will be updated in real time. Okay, so let's save that one. Okay, click save, and then once we have saved already, so the entries, as you can see, it reflected already here in my Google Sheets. So it's real time. So let's try for our timeout entries. So I'm going to click timeout here and then click the add button. So same just what we have done with our time in. So let me open my timeout entries here. Okay, so this time this is the timeout entries. So as you can see, there's still no entries here. So what we're going to do is scan this QR code here. So there. So we are at the timeout function already. So I'm going to click the scanner here. There. And I'm going to focus it on the QR code. Okay. So as you can see, Edward Andres was captured there. And once I click save here, my Google Sheets will be updated in real time. So I'm going to click save. And let's wait for the entries to be entered. There. So as you can see, I was able to capture um, time in and time out entries using a QR code, and we develop a mobile app using AppSheet.
Okay, so that's it. We were able to create a timesheet monitoring app using Google Sheets and AppSheet. So if you like this video, click the like button, and if you want to watch more of my content, click the subscribe button. Thank you for watching.